Here are some of the important information about Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Although without Gandhi, Hindustan would still have gained independence, and without Lenin and Mao, Russia and China would still have endured communist revolution. Without Jinnah, there would have been no Pakistan in 1947. John Biggs Davison. Aga Khan said about Quaid-e-Azam, in that one decision, combining as it did sagacity, shrewdness, and unequal political fear, he justified, I am convinced, my claim that he was the most remarkable of the great statesmen that I have known. It puts him on level with Bismarck. Jawaharlal Nehru said about Quaid-e-Azam, Jinnah is one of the most extraordinary men in history. Mussolini said, Jinnah was a historic personality which takes birth once in a century. US President Harry S. Truman said, Mr. Jinnah was the recipient of a devotion and loyalty seldom accorded to any man. Lord Mountbatten, he said, Jinnah never made an agreement by bowing down to anyone but on equal basis. Gandhi said, I believe no power can buy Mr. Jinnah. Lord Lothian said, Jinnah's scheme of partition was good, but it would take at least 25 years to take shape. But great wars and great men shorten history, and Jinnah was such a man who could alter a history of a nation. Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the only personality of India from whom whole nation has expectations. Allama Iqbal. Sardar Kartar Singh said, if Jinnah was in Sikhs, they would worship him. Lord Wavell, Viceroy of India, he said, Mr. Jinnah was one of the most handsome men I have ever seen. He combined the clear-cut, almost Grecian features of the West with Oriental grace and movement. Gordon Johnson said, he set a great example to other statesmen to follow by his skill in negotiation, his integrity and his honesty. Surat Chandra Bose said, Mr. Jinnah was great as lawyer, once great as a congressman, great as a leader of Muslims, great as a world politician and diplomat, and greatest of all as a man of action. By Mr. Jinnah's passing away, the world has lost one of the greatest statesmen and Pakistan, its life giver, philosopher and guide.